Morning.
And my kuan kanang following we are here to interview about the sustainable tourism related to your environmental challenges in here and the betterment of your community. And we would like you to interview, and our first question is, what are the most common environmental challenges caused by tourism in your area, and how are they being addressed?
Okay. The most common is the garbage, which is especially if we speak on tourism. Barangay Maribago is the tourism hub in Lapu-Lapu, where island hopping mag-start ang island hopping Laris Maribago sa Pamar. Some tourists, instead of kanang ang ilahang mga basura coming from during sa ilang mga island hopping, instead na dalawang nabalik, some they put it sa dagat. Right now, the barangay strictly enforce the no dumping sa tuwang mga dagat. Ato ang basura po din sa mga sitios regularly pick up by our garbage collectors. Actually, so far the biggest environmental threat now, and I think it's not only sa Barangay Maribago but the entire country is basura.
Sige, thank you. Number 2 is, how do local communities participate in mitigating the negative impact of tourism?
The communities has a lot to do, and actually they are cooperating the barangay by cleaning up. Actually, monthly we have the barangay to barangay captain kaning kusablina and regular na clean up within sa ilang mga area of jurisdiction. So far the community is participating, but sometimes naging mga tao nag-let.
So our next question is, what strategies have been implemented to reduce waste and pollution caused by tourism activities?
The barangay initiated this port system wherein the community has been clustered. Once they are being clustered, organized, the barangay conducted information dissemination about the solid waste, about the environmental impact on the garbage, and ongoing activities of barangay.
Thank you. We have our number 4. Can you provide examples of how your organization or destination adapts to climate change in the context of tourism?
What do you mean by... Again, sa itong question?
Can you provide examples of how your organization or destination adapts to climate change in the context of tourism?
As I said earlier, the barangay initiated the POROC system, wherein the POROC system has been clustered, and they can be easily to conduct meetings, to conduct cleanups, and they can be easily organized for any environmental activities na ang barangay.
Thank you. We have our number 5. What role does sustainable tourism play in balancing economic growth and environmental conservation in the community?
What role?
What role does sustainable tourism play in your balancing the economic growth and the environmental conservation?
Dako siya nga role yun, especially sa barangay. Actually, environmental impact sa barangay. The barangay council mismo has a committee on environment which solely to the purpose of this solely to monitor, to make kanang projects, activities, especially for the environment.
How do you ensure that the cultural heritage sites are preserved while accommodating tourists?
In our barangay, cultural heritage sites, so far wala ka siya site, pero cultural, we have this guitar festival, which is yearly siya na activity sa barangay. The main purpose of the guitar festival is to uplift, because Maribago is a guitar maker barangay, is to at least as a tradition ma-preserve siya in a way na ang mga tourism po, ang mga tourists, especially foreigners, makahibaw sila na guitar is coming from Maribago.
Okay. What policies or regulations are in place to prevent over-tourism and its associated environmental and social impacts?
Policies, we have, as what I said kaganiha, Barangay Maribago is the hub for tourism, especially sa mga kaning kaning island hoppers. The policies for environmental is strictly enforced dito sa Tongwar. That's why they have naapod sila kaning environmental fees. As part of the environmental fees, it's responsibility sa mga tourism na to make it sure na limpyo ang atuang oceans. Ang city council also has ordinance for the preservation of our environment.
Ang kanabitaw environmental fees, para na siya sa mga tourists or appeal ng mga local?
Appeal ang local, tourist and local, appeal siya sa environmental fees. Pero once you are a resident of Lapu-Lapu City, exempted ka.
Next is, how are local businesses adapting their operations to align with sustainable tourism practices?
Maribago is composed of so many hotels, resorts, and spa. They have their own CSR, kaning gitawag with community social responsibilities. They have their own activities also to preserve the environment, like I think last week, Blue Water or J-Park, they conducted sa clean-up. Regular na nila sa clean-up, and ang Blue Water sad nag-conduct sila sa basurero, wherein divers can go deep just to collect the mga garbage debris.
Ang workers sa pag-review bitaw sa ating sa J-Park, mga local workers siya or trabahador sa J-Park?
Mostly yan nila mga trabahante sa J-Park.
Okay. What initiatives are in place to educate tourists about minimizing their environmental footprint while visiting? What initiatives are in place to educate tourists about minimizing their environmental footprints while visiting?
Again, island hoppers sila sa Tuwa sa Wharf na ay naka-station diha na employee sa City Hall. Before they pay the environmental fees, na actually gawin orientation, something na advice na what to do, especially sa basura. And also, ang mga resort na to, they conducted also mga IEC, mga information dissemination campaigns sa mga tourists.
So this is our last question. How do you measure the success of your tourism impact, mitigation, and adaptation efforts, and what areas still need improvement?
A lot of areas being improved because we cannot say environmental impact sa atong barangay is completely eradicated or completely 100% na wala din siya. Ongoing ang pag-disseminate sa information, especially sa Republic Act, sa kaning Solid Waste Management Act. So ongoing na siya, and not only sa itong mga tourist, but also ang mga community within sa barangay.
Okay, thank you so much. That will be our question. Yes, then.
Kaubong mo ito sa mga.
Thank you, sir.
Picture ka.